In the world of reliability, few stand out quite like Lisandro Cobu. With nearly 30 years of experience, Lisandro brings not only knowledge, but purpose. Her drive? The certainty that reliability and continuous improvement will build safer, more efficient, and more competitive operations. In just her first year as lubrication supervisor at Vale's Pelletizing Plant 8, she transformed the maintenance culture. From filtering oils instead of replacing them, saving over $250,000, to certifying her entire team, Lisandro leads by example. She's not a do-as-I-say leader, she's a do-as-I-do. And it works.
We have achieved significant financial gains at Vale's Pelletizing Plant 8 in less than a year.
Her enthusiasm is contagious. Whether in the lubrication room she spearheaded building, or in the field alongside her team, she empowers others with practical guidance and measurable improvements.
Congratulations! You won the Reliability Champion Award!
Really? I'm very happy, thank you. It's very important to me because I dedicated my life in this issue, lubrication machinery.
When she learned that she had won the 2025 Reliability Champion Award, it was a moment that honored not just what she had accomplished, but how she did it. With consistency, with passion, and with purpose. Lisandro is the first woman in Brazil to be certified as a machinery lubrication engineer. But she's not focused on firsts. And what excites her most? A future where more professionals embrace lubrication as a cornerstone of reliability. Congratulations to Lisandro Cobu, Reliability Champion. Your story inspires us. It's not just an example of what reliability can achieve, but who it can elevate.